Now here's a tip. I'm here today with a tool I created that makes grocery shopping a little bit more manageable. And I kind of created it out of necessity. I was at the grocery market. I had like a simple notepad list of what I wanted to get and everything like that. But the problem with the notepad file is it didn't have a way to calculate my cost at real time. So I created this Google Sheet to make that possible. So like say that you want to go to the store, like you make your list out everything you want to buy. Say you want to buy bread, you want to buy like, turkey, lunch, meat. You gotta buy some salmon. You want to buy some chicken tenders, and say you want to buy some ranch dressing. And for all intents and purposes, we'll see. So once you're at this point where you have everything you want to buy laid out, then you would go for the cost. Now here's a tip. What I want to do is I want to organize my list in a way that gets me through the market once. I get everything I need once, walking through the market once. No going back to aisle 3 or going back to aisle 10 because I forgot something. If I'm able to list the items I want in relation to how the market is set up, I'm able to go through that market once and then get everything I need and then go right to the cash register to minimize the time that I spend in the grocery store.
Hit that like button like a drunk bicyclist hitting a parked car in the dark of night. Leave a thoughtful, insightful, thought-provoking comment. Share this video because sharing is caring. Subscribe to all of our channels. Visit Tech Tinktronics on TikTok, Rumble and YouTube. Music by Psychotic, Orbit available on SoundCloud, Bandcamp, Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube and other platforms. See you next ride.